one additional person was discharged as of 10 o'clock on Wednesday night, bringing the total number of persons discharged for COVID-19 to 72. The number of positive tests remain at 116 and deaths remain at 8. Only 6 COVID-19 patients remain in hospital, while 30 are at step-down facilities. All of these patients are stable. The Ministry of Health is reminding the public to continue safety protocols by washing hands with soap, using hand sanitizers, social distancing, and generally wearing masks in public. This from Professor of Molecular Genetics and Virology, Dr. Christine Carrington. That is, children can still spread the COVID-19 virus. She was among the panel at today's COVID-19 media update. Professor Carrington said, while young people are less likely to develop severe manifestations of the COVID-19 virus, they can carry a similar viral load to adults. She said it is therefore important that practices of proper hygiene and social distancing are maintained.
Even if they're not showing disease, even if they're young children who are unlikely to get severe manifestations, they can still spread the virus like everyone else. So what we have is a very contagious virus that can cause severe disease in some people and that can be spread by anyone who is infected, including people who don't even know that they're infected.
Minister of Health Terence Dayal Singh maintains government will be guided by the advice of the medical experts regarding lifted the COVID-19 restrictions. He was responding to a question at today's press conference on a statement by the business community calling for the restarting of the economy. CEO of the Chamber of Industry and Commerce, Gabriel Faria, said in a newspaper report, government cannot pay businesses to remain closed, and as such, the economy needs to be restarted. Mr. Faria's remarks come in the wake of an Oxford University report ranking Trinidad and Tobago second in readiness to return to business activity. But Minister Dayal Singh said lifting the COVID-19 restrictions will depend on more than the report.
The optimism that Mr. Gabriel Faria is alluding to, that optimism, I don't want to say it is misplaced. What I will simply repeat is that the Prime Minister has indicated he will listen to the science, he will listen to the data, and the same way we made careful, deliberate steps, which the Oxford report has recognized. In reverse, we will make careful, deliberate steps based on the science.
Minister Dayal Singh emphasized the decision to lift restrictions will lie with the Prime Minister.
The decision to open up, how we open up, when to open up, where, will be made by the Honorable Prime Minister when he is satisfied that the public health officials, led by the Chief Medical Officer, presents him with some data.